too much. We can and we will. There you go. Yes, sir. 2:38. Not too late. There you go. There you go, Eric. All the way through, baby. Keep on achieving those goals. Yes. That's what you want. That's what you want. You want to keep on going. Keep on moving. Yeah, you're right. Not too many ways to say it. When you have the wheel and the drive, you're going to keep moving regardless. It's going to keep on pushing you, motivating you to keep on going all the way through. It takes a lot of dedication and will to want to do this, family. It's not easy, let alone the workouts, but then being fumed. So that's gracious enough. I'm thankful to the Lord and for everybody that allows me to do this. It's an honor and a pleasure. And it's an honor and a pleasure for them to want to bring this inspiration to y'all. So always look beyond of just looking at this as just another exercise video or just a video for entertainment and getting life. That's good too, but at the same time, this is for your life. This is for a purpose. It's more to it than that. How many people can you save? That's the goals for me. Everything is nice and grandy, but well, how can you change people's lives? 15 seconds, my baby. Let's go. Let's get it. 50 seconds. Which brings me to Clan Nation. It would be very crazy if somebody and really backwards minded to ever feel they have to cowardly leave a thumbs down on inspiration. It don't make sense to me, never does. So after all that work that these brothers and everybody put in to do that makes no sense. You need to check yourself as a person. 15, looking mean, baby, let's go. Countdown, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bam. That's what I'm talking about. And that's the inspiration we're talking about, family. A real family out here. Got it, baby? 1, 2, 3, family! That's what I'm talking about, baby boy. And that's done with this drill, y'all. About to get to this 5-minute, and then the 5-minute abs will be after. So stay tuned.